Hi. Yes, good evening. I'm also doing great. What
Yeah,
about you?
yeah, I am fantastic, ma'am. Thank you for asking me.
Okay, so where are you
Okay,
from?
okay, I am from Karnataka, and may I know where are you from?
Yes, I am from Maharashtra and live in Pune city. And I'm a mother of two children. And if I talk about my qualification, I completed my post graduation in Master of Business Administration.
Business administration.
Yes, but right now I'm a housemaker and mother of two
Okay.
children.
Oh, MBA.
Yeah.
Okay, did you complete your MBA?
Yes, I completed, but after married, I left my job.
Okay, okay. In MBA, which is a specialization in humanities like that, business management.
No,
Which one is
in the human resources. Human resources.
human resources? HR.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, can I introduce myself?
Yes, of course, yeah.
Yeah, as you already, my name is Ramesh Pargi. I am connecting to you, state of Karnataka, Vijaypur district. If talk about my qualification, I hold graduation in technology, technical field. If talk about my hobbies, reading books, listening podcast, and watching TEDx videos. Yeah, that's all about me. Now I have been preparing for competitive exam. I am a student of competitive exam.
Okay,
That's all
so
about me.
which kind of competitive exam do you want to do?
Yeah, I have been preparing for state government exam, simultaneously central government exam. In central government
Okay.
exam, I prefer to SSC. Under the SSC, JE and AE. Because of I belong
Okay.
to technical background student, no? That's why I concentrate more on more technical exams.
Okay. So if you're preparing government exam, your day be you're busy. Maybe all our day we want to read and write.
Yeah, exactly. Most of the time, I sit and study at the library. But when will I get bored to study like that? That's time I switch in. I came back. I returned to room and stay 1 hour. I took a nap 1 hour or 1.5 hour. That is my leisure time. That time I am able to speak with the co-learner and with strangers. That's why I reply to your message.
Okay. Yes.
Suppose
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
After half an hour, I go to library. I return to library because of now time is 25 past 4. No, okay,
Mm-hmm.
like that around 5 o'clock in the evening, I return to library for study purpose.
So yeah. It is very bad. I know. I did a one exam only, a banking exam, and it was very tough for me. I only had given, and after that, I'm left my no. This is not my cup of tea. After that,
Oh,
because it is very hard and it's very hard question I seen that time. So I felt very that time. So I thought that I want to give one time, so it's be a very easy for me. So yeah, but after that I didn't get chance another for that.
yeah, exactly, ma'am. You told, sorry, you mentioned already. You have hold MBA graduation in HR management.
Yeah.
Okay, did you work anywhere?
Yes, I have been born, but I left job in 3 months because after got married, I have another city. I live in another city, so it's very difficult for me to give work from home work that time not available. So it's very so I left my job, and that after that I didn't think about to do my job because both our kids are small and I don't want to go outside. If I didn't prefer to go leave the home alone. So and I have no in-laws at my home, so who look after me. So that is the main problem me. So I choose
Oh,
my be
okay.
a housewife.
Okay,
Yes,
maybe I hope you live only nuclear family. You don't have
yes,
any joint family.
yes. But my in-laws are living in village. So, but
Okay.
they don't, they don't like to live with here in city. So they feel bored every time here.
Yeah, exactly. You live alone like that. Maybe your husband work as any officer like that in Maharashtra?
Yeah. Yes, yeah, they are working in IT sector, and here is only one apartment, and here are no one talking to each other, and they feel very lone. Also, they have a farm, they have a cow and goat, so they love to take care of that animal. So that's why they are not here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly, ma'am. Okay, what is your hobbies, ma'am? May I know? What do you do
Yes.
your leisure time?
Yes. I have lots of hobby, but nowadays just I'm focusing on my communication. But in between, I have a get time, so I have to make some new dishes, and I like to painting, and I like to read books, new books in my native language. But nowadays I decided I only whatever I want to read, I want to purchase only English book, not my in Hindi and Marathi book, because before that I'm only buy the only in Hindi and Marathi book, because I we don't know those language, so that's why I purchase only Hindi and Marathi book. But nowadays I'm purchasing only English book. Whatever I have get.
Yeah, ma'am. Were you born and brought up in Maharashtra or somewhere else?
No, in Maharashtra I'm born and brought up. Both are in
Hmm.
Maharashtra. That's
Okay,
why all my education I took in my Marathi language. You can say.
okay. You were born and brought up in Maharashtra. Okay,
Yeah.
definitely you completed your whole graduation in Marathi medium only because
Yes.
of
Yeah.
okay, Marathi is your mother tongue, no?
Yes. Yes. That's why.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay, I have been observing on this platform in any way. Nowadays, too passionate women are learn this language. Women are learning new language and communicate in English. What is the purpose? I don't know. Okay, it is a language. Okay, it is international language. I know, but why of the most women are like to learn this language? Do you have
Yes.
any answer?
Yes. Of course. When women are something especially housewife. Sometimes they feel like they are just doing household chores. That is the one reason. And if someone asks them, what are you doing now? So they only answer, I'm a housewife, and after that I'm taking only rest. Maybe it's embarrassed for that ladies. So yeah, they are just when we they making videos, and they are creating their own channel. They feel very freedom, and they are feel like now I'm also independent woman. I'm doing something, and I'm a be a something. Now no one can say I'm only housewife, and after I completed my household chores, I'm taking rest, I'm watching TV, and just scrolling any mobile. So yeah, but I can say now I'm a YouTuber, and uploading conversation video. If people are also watching that videos, they feel also, or they are pleasing them, and they are very greeting them. Yeah, doing a good job, you are doing good job. Yeah, it's how it's possible. You are from Hindi medium, Marathi medium, Telugu medium, but now you able to speak English. Sometimes they also appreciate them. So it's very full. So for that words they are motivated lot. So that is the main reason.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am. You already okay. I hope. I believe. Do you have YouTube channel? Maybe you
Yes,
have
yes.
YouTube channel. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
How are you managing your YouTube channel as well as your personal life? Because of you already mentioned you have two kids of mother.
Yeah.
Okay, you have lot of household chores. Apart
Yes.
from that, your husband will work IT company. How can you manage your time, ma'am? How can you segregate each and
Yes. Yeah.
every?
Yeah. Already I told you. When I created channel, some people watching that video, and they are commenting on my video. But before that, I'm not thinking that someone my like my videos, and they are also commenting on my video. But someone they watching, and they commenting in that words, very very appreciate me. And so for that words, I motivated by that person and my subscriber. And for that only I'm managing my all household in hurry. And yeah, if my kids are sleeping at afternoon, so that time making conversation. Yes, sometimes my husband also support me. If my people not sleeping and troubling, they take care of in weekend that time. I'm making that time videos. So that's is
Yeah,
not for me. All my family support me.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly, ma'am. Okay, it is the okay. Suppose one hand there is no clap. Okay, both hand together it is a clap. That's it is absolutely true.
Yeah.
Okay, how sorry when have you started your English journey, ma'am? When have you started learning your English journey?
Yes, I started before 5 months ago, and that time I'm focusing on my speaking practice. I'm using all audio call platform. But after that, I'm watching some videos on YouTube. So lots of ladies are doing something. So I thought that it is a very useful if you build up our confidence for on video call. So that is a very good way. So we can try this because I have confident that time. I'm many time I confidently speak, but the in I lots of make a mistake in, you can say, in grammar. Sometimes I forgot uh, making a good conversation and using good sentence, you can say. So I'm working on that sometimes. So yeah, whenever I watch my video myself, so that time realize where I may made mistake. And I'm after that I tried to in that part I'm after in after later I be not using same words. So yeah, I'm doing this. So yeah, maybe this video is very YouTube channel very beneficial for me.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am. Okay, how is your YouTube channel growing up nowadays? How
Yes,
many subscribers you got?
growing. Yes, growing. But yeah, it will take time maybe because I'm not uploading regularly. Alternate day I uploading video because sometimes I no one can give time to me on my availability. So it's my for my I'm not saying that because my kids also my responsibility. If they are available in good way and good time, so it be good for me. Otherwise I in weekend I make videos. I'm not lots of thinking of that, but yeah, I'm
Yeah,
thinking
exactly.
about only yes video.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am. Okay, you already mentioned you have YouTube channel. Okay, so
Yeah.
many your subscribers ask different varieties of question. How can you respond that those type of question? Okay, are you able to justify those questions from your
Yes,
YouTube
of course.
channel?
Yes, of course. I always ready to give answer in correct way. I tried to my best because it's my responsibility to give a best answer. If I'm not given to, yeah, maybe I, I lose that subscriber, also my YouTuber. Yeah, so I tried my best. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am. Okay, I am very curious about. Okay, um, I have seen so many YouTubers, but I texted. Sorry, I comment on those videos, but they are not response my comment. That's why I am sorry. Am I asking to you? Most of the time, I am watching. Okay, who is the very popular YouTubers? Those
Mhm.
are neglected the comments nowadays. Okay, you are a beginner time. Okay, suppose you will reach a peak point. Maybe in 1 year, 2 year, you will reach more subscribers. After that, you will maybe according to me, okay, more who are the more popular on YouTube? They are neglecting to the subscribers. Okay, suppose you are famous, sorry, your favorite subscriber gave you one comment. Okay, ma'am, I couldn't understand this concept. Could you repeat me and could you answer me like that? But that time you are not able to answer that type of a question. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it is your busy schedule. I don't know. You are maybe reached peak level. I don't know, but I have been seen. I have been watching those type of people on YouTube. There is no problem because of maybe they are busy with their work.
Yes, of course. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
because they are simultaneously they are running YouTube channel as well as they doing something another work or so. So due to this reason, maybe they have forget to reply that mail or that comment. Yeah, maybe, but in after 15 or 16 day, I get comment reply back sometimes, but
Yeah,
not regularly, you can say.
yeah,
Uh,
exactly, ma'am. Okay, okay. One of sorry, in this platform, one of lady is there. I don't know her name, but I comment. Sorry, I mailed to her last 1 month ago, but she replied last 2 days back. Okay, that time I was shocked. Okay, I commented. Sorry, I mailed 1 month ago. She replied last 2 months. Sorry, 2 days ago. It is she takes 28 days to reply one comment. Oh my God, maybe she is a lot of work. She is
yeah.
she is busy. Her work like that.
Yes, yes, yeah. Maybe they forgot or maybe they are, lost. Maybe that email sometimes. So that's why they are happen with everybody. Because this same question I heard from another big YouTuber. I think someone subscriber asked to them but they replied that do you know it's clearly I'm running YouTube channel as well as doing my home also. I'm taking a session. Lots of who are beginner. You can very well. So in between, I'm sometimes I forgot to give reply faster. Yeah, it's my response to give best way. But yeah, sometimes I lose my comment. But don't feel bad. But I get chance to definitely I want to do. So they reply like that. It's a common
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, exactly, ma'am. Okay, I heard about that. It is a true or false. I don't know. Okay, nowadays all subscribers, any subscriber watch only 10 to 15 minutes video. I don't know. Okay, sometimes okay, suppose you posted 20 minutes or 25 minutes video, but they don't. Sorry, they haven't watched your video like that.
Yes, of
It is
course. Yeah.
nowadays it is quite common. I don't know what is the reason behind that. Maybe they don't have ample of time. Maybe they don't attend to watch
But the main thing
20
is
minutes.
that everyone these days, don't have a patience. Main thing, they suddenly they want something new, something new. They don't want to same watch video, same thing.
Yeah,
If
exactly.
you get yes, it's different things. They want to curious about the watch that video. Otherwise, they skip that video. Just they watch 30 to 30 seconds and they skip them. They scrolling another video. Yes.
Yeah, exactly like that. Okay. Most of the adult students, young students, or youngsters watch only which kind of video like that reels like that. One
Yeah.
minute or 30 minutes reel only. Maybe you
Yeah.
upload 2 minutes or 3 minutes video. They don't watch those kind of video because they
Yes.
don't have patience. Okay,
Yes.
nowadays people attentive only 30 second or 20 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, after that they learn new thing. Yeah, each and
Yes.
every minute they scroll. Okay, which video is best like that.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Yeah, sometimes they want very, you can say, funny video they want to watch, funny video sometimes. And yeah, they are, if trending song also, if you want to making reels on trending song, so they will be, they watch definitely.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Okay, nowadays most of the people go to uh, don't go to visit theater any multiplex because of their watch video in Amazon Prime. So many applications are available, but they don't
Yes.
have patience to sit and watch 3 hours video in theater. That is the
Yeah.
biggest problem. That's why
Yes.
all the films released in so many applications are going on nowadays.
Yeah.
Video sorry
After only I can
Amazon
say after
Prime.
COVID is happened. Before that, all are want to visit the theater, but after COVID, everyone use the Prime Video, Amazon Video, and you can say Netflix. All
Yeah,
are watching that.
Netflix.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Nowadays, okay. After the pandemic, this type of situation is going on. Before the
Yeah.
pandemic, there is no such type of problem. Those days they are watched in 3 hours video, 3 hours film, any film at the theater. But nowadays they are losing the patience. They watch only okay 3